Hello viewers, this is Evelyn of Livabuhay. Today I will be giving you an update of my begonia Rex begonia. So as you see, I have this here in the bathroom for like a month or 2 months already, and it works very fine. So as what I said, Rex begonia is actually very good to have in your bathroom, especially this kind of begonia, the Rex begonia. It's because they can actually adapt the temperature, and even if they don't have like direct sunlight, because in this bathroom I actually have the door, no, not the door, I actually have the window there. So that begonia or Rex begonia doesn't actually get at all sunlight. But this is the kind of begonia where you can have it in your bathroom. Your bathroom can have a humidity where they really like because when people take their shower it's like it's evaporating this warm shower, because here in Sweden you always have to have a warm shower. You cannot have a cold shower here because it's freezing cold, so everybody is taking warm shower. So after people take the shower like every day, then it will be evaporating, and humidity of the bathroom, the temperature here in the bathroom really helps that this begonia really loves it. So as you see, this Rex begonia is being planted on this kind of ceramic pot, and the print of this pot actually is made by my son. He is now 14 years old, and he was like 13 years old when he made it. He was just using like a spray paint on it, and I just like it, so I planted it there. And so I have this Rex begonia there. So Rex begonia is very known for a plant that is easy to propagate, because you propagate them, you can even plant like a leaf and they will grow roots, or you can propagate by dividing. If you want to see how to propagate begonia, I will put the link below where I did the division of them, and that is how you will do it. As far as lighting is concerned, well, I have lights there up, and then I have this light here. So every time I take a shower, I do like that. I open like that. So like this light will like be facing to my begonia, and I let it be that way until I'm finished using the bathroom. And it seems like the begonia is loving it. So I just do it like that. So anyway, if you have a bathroom where you want to have a plant there, I can recommend the Rex begonia. This one is a kind of plant that is kind of the family of the cactus, and when I feel it now, it's so dry. But anyway, cactus doesn't love to have wet all the time. So if they experience drought, it's okay. Anyway, I just water it like, once in 2 weeks. But this Rex begonia is also dry, so I have to plant it. So I can really see it, how humid it is here when people are taking shower. And it's kind of warm here because it's tiled and we have a floor mat. So it's like that in this bathroom. It's not a very big bathroom, but it's only me using this bathroom. It's because we have another big bathroom on the 3rd floor. So I just want to share that having plants in the bathroom is actually very good, because they purify the air, and at the same time it's a kind of decoration. I don't know, not everybody is feeling my way of feeling, but I can see that just when you go inside your bathroom and you see immediately a plant in there, they just kind of give you some kind of energy. And so there, a plant in the bathroom has a lot of functions, and one is to purify the air. I'm planning actually to put much more plants here, but I need somewhere else to put them. So I'm planning to have something here, kind of a kind of a side table that I can put some plants. And I think I saw already something that was not so cheap, but anyway, that would really fit here for me to have more plants here. And it's just so refreshing. So that's it. I wish I have more places here to put plants, but sad I don't have a lot. This bathroom is not so big. But anyway, it's like that. So every time I come into the bathroom, I just see those plants, and it's really true. This is my first time actually, no, not 2 months, I think 3 months already, that I have a begonia. I always want to have a begonia, but I never had a chance to buy, and I never saw a kind of begonia like this, the Rex begonia, because it's the Rex begonia that are good to have indoor. So as you see, it's actually very successful and growing very, very good. So this Rex begonia will be there and will enjoy the humidity of this bathroom. So that is the thing why I like with begonias. The foliage of the leaves are just so beautiful, you know, and they are not difficult to grow or propagate, and you can propagate and propagate them because they just grow and grow a lot. So this, when I bought it on sale, so I just divided. I was even able to give some to my sister. So as you see, this Rex begonia is really growing very well, and I touch them from time to time, and now it's dry. So when you see here, actually Rex begonia, when they grow there inside, they actually grow, the roots are not just going deep yet. So I think the roots here are even just up to here. So they don't like when you drown them in water. So feel them when it's dry, water them. When you feel them it's still moist, never water them. So if it's winter time, you will never water your plant the same way as you water them during the summertime. Why? It's because they don't like it either. Some plants even hate it. When you water them all the time and they get to have just so drowned in water, they don't like it, they can die. Some plants love it, but most of them, they don't like it when they're drowned in water and they're just always wet all the time. They should have, like, you know, kind of a moisture there down. And then when you feel them and it's quite dry, then water them. So I have to water them today. Anyway, thank you again for watching my video, and to all my subscribers and friends here in YouTube, thank you so much for supporting me. I hope you will continue to support my channel because it gives me inspiration to do a lot more of content. Just tell me if there's a kind of content that you want me to cover or to put in my channel, and I would love to do it. Again, this is Evelyn of Libabuhay. Thank you for watching.